Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Elvina Iryonita. I am college from Economic Education, Faculty of Economic at State University of Jakarta. Today, I would like to presentation my thesis proposal with the title The Influence of Income Level, Digital Literacy, and Social Support on Investment Decision of Generation Z in South Jakarta. Before I go to the main topic of the presentation, I would like to say thank you for my supervisor is Mr. Saparudin and Mrs. Siti Fatima Zahra, who helped me in the process of preparing the thesis proposal. And also to my family and my friends to support me from the beginning until this time. Thank you so much. First of all, I want to beginning presentation with the background. The background is investment has become an important part of the global economy, including in Indonesia, with more and more individuals starting to realize the importance of long-term financial planning. Based on data, according to a survey conducted by OJK, around 56.3% of Generation Z have started investing in stock or mutual funds. Next, based on pre-research data that has been filled in with 41 Generation Z respondents in South Jakarta with an age range of 17 until 28 years old. The survey results show that the majority of Generation Z in South Jakarta have a high contribution to investing in the capital market, but their income is still minimal. So, it is interesting to study whether income level affect investment interest for Generation Z. Part 1. Research question. First, does income level have a significant influence on investment interest among Generation Z in South Jakarta? 2. Does digital literacy have a significant influence on investment interest among Generation Z in South Jakarta? 3. Does social support have a significant influence on investment interest among Generation Z in South Jakarta? 4. Do income level, digital literacy, and social support have a significant influence on investment interest among Generation Z in South Jakarta? Research purpose. The first of all, to determine the influence of income level on investment interest in Generation Z in South Jakarta. 2. To find out the influence of digital literacy on investment interest in Generation Z in South Jakarta. 3. To determine the influence of social supports on investment interest in Generation Z in South Jakarta. 4. To determine the influence of income level, digital literacy, and social supports on investment interest in Generation Z in South Jakarta. Benefits of research. This research is expected to contribute to the development of science, especially in the fields of economic and finance, related to the investment behavior of the younger generation. The results of this study are also expected to be a reference for further research that focus on factors that influence investment decisions. Part 2. Investment Decision Theory. One of the main theories that is the basis for investment decision making is the Modern Portfolio Theory or MPT, introduced by Harry Marcus in 1991. This theory emphasizes the importance of portfolio diversification in reducing risk without scarcifying optimal returns. Investment decisions are an important part of financial management that is influenced by various factors and economic theories. Next, according to Fitrasuri and Simanjuntak 20 and 22, investment decisions are management policies in using existing company fund on an asset that is expected to provide benefits in the future. Next, theoretical review. First, income level is the amount of income received by individuals, households, or groups in a certain period, which reflects their economic ability to meet their living needs and support other economic activities, including consumption, saving, and investment. 2. Digital literacy is an essential skill in today's information age, which includes the ability to access, evaluate, and use information effectively through digital technology. In the context of Generation Z, social support play a crucial role in investor decisions. Generation Z, known as digital native, often seek information and validation from their social environment before making investment decisions. Investment interest refers to an individual's interest in placing their funds in various financial instruments with the hope of getting balanced results in the future. Investment interest not only includes the desire to invest, but also includes the understanding, knowledge, and attitude toward the risk associated with investment. Previous research. 1. Angrenny, based on research from Angrenny et al. 20 and 24 entitled The Influence of Income Level and Financial Literacy on Generation Z's Interest in Investing in the Indonesian Stock Exchange. 2. From research Kumanireng and Bayu Utomo 20 and 23 entitled The Influence of Financial Literacy, Tax Literacy, and Digital Literacy on Investment Interest of Mercubuana University, Yogyakarta student. Next, from research Febrian 20 and 22 entitled The Influence of Self-Efficacy and Social Support of Students of the 2018 Islamic Banking Study Program on Interest in Investing in Islamic Stocks. Framework of thinking. Income level XX1, digital literacy SX2, social support SX3, and investment decision SY. Research hypothesis. First, H1, income level influence investment interest for Gen Z in South Jakarta. H2, digital literacy influence investment interest for Gen Z in South Jakarta. H3, social support influence investment interest for Gen Z in South Jakarta. H4, income level, digital literacy, and social support influence investment interest for Gen Z in South Jakarta. Part 3, research method. Time and place of research. The research was conducted for approximately 2 months, from April to May 20 and 25. The research location was for Generation Z in South Jakarta. Population, Generation Z age 17 until 27 in South Jakarta, based on data from the Central Statistic Agency, with a total of 560,224 people. Research design. This research used quantitative methods Quantitative research is a type of research that produces new findings by using quantification, procedure, or statistical measurement or other means. Sample: in this study, the solving formula was used with the number of samples obtained from the calculation, namely 85 respondents. Analysis stage. Data collection technique. This study used primary data. Data collection technique using questionnaires. A questionnaire is a set of questionnaire instruments arranged based on research variable measurement instrument. And from data analysis technique. Use outer model evaluation and inner model evaluation. Okay, that's all. I think enough of this presentation of my thesis proposal, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.